What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is September 10, 2021 and we are on Fear. And guys, just to let you know, next week I'm going to change my name from Trading Like Magic to Naked Crypto because I found Trading Like Magic is too long, and Naked Crypto because my strategy is naked trading. It means I don't use indicators. I just focus on the price action, the structures, and I use Elliott Wave, Fibonacci, and that's it. Okay, let's go to CoinGecko. So Bitcoin is 4.4% down, Ethereum is 8.4% down. Red day today, guys. Cardano is down. Solana is 14.5% down. Doge is down. Chainlink, Uniswap, Avalanche. Avalanche is 2% up though. Mostly red today, guys. Red day. Tezos is 11.7% up though. QNT is 7.6% up. Shiba is 8.8% down. See, top gainers of the day: Cloth, Luna, XTZ, ICX, QNT, Mina, Harmony. Harmony is still doing great. Top gainers of the week: QNT, FTM, Algo, IOST, Near, 1, Mina. Top losers of the week: we have Telcoin, Uniswap, Hot, Ave, Sushi Maker, Flow. And guys, I always mention this on my videos since I started, I think May or June. I mentioned it before. June is red month, and I told you guys don't worry about it. July, August would be a green month, and it did. And September would be a red month, and we're on a red month right now. But don't worry about it. October, November would be a green month, but December we might see the price again will drop, and January, yeah, not a great month for crypto. September would be a great time to buy, and October hold. November, probably November, sell some of your coins and enjoy it on December. And January, buy again. February, probably sell on February. March, buy again. April, sell. May, sell in May and go away. So yeah, June, good time to buy. Yeah guys, but it depends on you guys, but don't worry about it. We're still in the bull run. Crypto bubbles, oh my god, lots of reds today. So but Mina, IOST, FTM, QNT, Cloth, Algo, 1, Near, FTT, Solana still doing great. So yeah. Okay guys, before we go to the chart, and if you can like and share my videos, that will be appreciated. CryptoIndex, we are now on the B, going for a C correction. So don't worry about it. After this, we might see a price pump. This would be, well, yeah, it's not loading properly. Anyway, ABC. So we might see the price somewhere here at 23,000, but don't worry about it. After that, this would be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3 to the upside. That would be my price prediction. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, I always mention this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are now on the 5th wave. September, we might see a red candle for the whole month, but don't worry about it. October, November would be a green month. On the daily chart though, we are still on this megaphone pattern. Broke on this ascending channel here. So this one, guys, I draw this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going for a ABC correction. Now we're here, A, B, C. Let's see if the price will still go up here, but so looks like might not come up anymore. I'm not sure. Anyway, this would be our price prediction. ABC correction. So let's see the price. This is just an estimate, guys. Maybe 37,000, somewhere there. Ethereum on the monthly chart, similar to Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are on the fifth wave. So our target would be 4,500, somewhere there. Yeah, we might see a red candle for the whole month of September, but don't worry about it. October, November, December would be a green month. On the daily chart though, I see rising expanding wedge, and yesterday we drew this one. It's a bearish pennant and it went down right now. Actually, our target was somewhere here because of this flagpole here, and somewhere here, let's see something like that flagpole. Maybe our target is somewhere here, but I don't know, because right now it's also sitting on this trend line here. So let's monitor the price. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's see, the price will reach at 8 cents. Dogecoin, my count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are now we are looking for the third wave, and this one looks like a bullish flag, but there's no guarantee, guys, because if Bitcoin drops, most altcoins follows. Oh, I posted this one, XRP. So XRP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was supposed to aim somewhere at $43. So it went up, but didn't reach our target. So it only almost though, $41, supposed to be $43. So almost, and it dropped. So this would be now your A, B, C. Somewhere there, I guess. Let's see, 85 cents. Or if 93 cents is fine too, because we call this running flat or regular flat. Yeah, we'll just monitor the price. Shiba is just doing sideways actually because of this. We have support and resistance here. Support here and resistance. It's just doing sideways. Tried to pop up on this descending channel, but it's just more or less just doing sideways. Solana, right now it's on a rising expanding wedge. And let's see if the price will drop here at 0.618, which is 126. Let's see. But there's no guarantee, guys. Solana is just pumping. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yesterday we talked about these altcoins, and I see yesterday Uniswap said it's going to go down. We're waiting for flag formation here, but it didn't. I went down already. DZR broke on this descending channel, and we're looking for a flag formation. The price might still go up here at 0.618, and it will drop. Let's monitor the price. MKR, it already dropped. Supposed to be, yeah, this is a pennant, bearish pennant. We draw this one where it could, we are expecting the price will still bounce back here, but it didn't anymore. It went down already. Flow already broke on this trend line, the flag formation. Altcoin, it already dropped. Yes, guys, if you can watch my video yesterday, you'll know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, I think this will do for today. And if you find this video valuable, please like and share. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below, and I'll do the technical analysis. Okay, guys, but don't worry about it. September, we might see a red month for the whole month, and but don't worry about it. October, November would be a green month. So take care, guys. I love you. Bye bye.